Now, I will proceed with paper presentation. This title is a study on simulation analysis using architecture IT technology. Then I will explain the outline of the detail, paper, and the calculator and the results. Let me explain the table of contents. Table of contents. The introduction, theory, and explain the application of simulation program of public apartment site. And finally, the conclusion. The first, I explain the introduction. The problem with the current energy system. This is fossil fuel. The solution to the environment problem. This transfer to renewable energy instead of fossil fuel. This is very important. Anyway, therefore, through the energy simulation program for new and renewable energy and passive architecture. This study aims to review the applicability of eco-friendly materials and technology, and to conduct efficient research on space production for eco-friendly reasons of architectural projects. Then the next theory. This is theory content. The solar cell. To connect this cell in 3G increases the voltage and increases the current value when connected in parallel. This combination of series and parallel makes a solar cell module with the required voltage and current values. Right picture, this is serial connect and parallel connected. The next PV module. The crystal silicon solar cell is too thin to break. To protect against external shocks of bad weather, to make space glass, filling materials, solar cell, fill materials will sit in the rigid aluminum frame. The right picture, the solar cell module system. The next, PV array. The solar cell array refers to a device in which one or several solar cell modules are connected to suit the conditions used by installing a state and considering the best condition. The right picture is PV array. Okay. The next, the cool and heat system. This is heat system and cooling cycle and heat pump heat cycle. The aft exchange geothermal heat with a constant temperature with using a circulating pump. is reduced to the required temperature through the compressor to supply the heat in the roller. And after the exchange geometrical heat with a contents temporarily using a circulating pump, the heat exchange is used to heat the refrigerant fuel rays. And the espresso increases the temperature required to supply the room. Type of characteristic of fuel cell. Alkali type fuel cell. It is the earliest development fuel cell that was used for power in space flight. High pressure is needed to maintain electronics level and high purity of hydraulic and oxygen is required. So the price is high, right? Phosphoric acid type fuel cell, as this is about 100 to 200 at relatively low temperatures. It is easy to selection materials. Solid oxide fuel cell is operate at a high temperature above 900. Used solid oxide as an ion conduct, and so on. This table is derived for environmentally friendly house, sortation, nature lighting, and artificial light. Small congeneration system and configure a standby power barrier. Right picture is this small gas congeneration system and standby power barrier. The use of the sensor installing of the lamp, the out of office light is automatic turns off, and display the current amount of the outlet through the display window and induce energy saving for the use. Right? The display is performance and application. It is necessary to review the application of eco-friendly material and technology through energy simulation program for green building design and to review and research product office for future other activities. Therefore, low carbon green products were explained for performance beyond the review regulation for sites that were to be constructed in the future by evaluation the building energy performance of public apartments through simulation program. Right picture is a view of public apartment site. The project site overview is three apartment building with two basement floor and 20 ground floors. This is a platform to simulate the green simulation application of simulation program for building apartment site. Okay, the one initial screen, two regional thermal source system, and new and renewable energy input screen. The three displaying external cover performance input screen. 4. Refrigeration screen for calculation. 5. Calculation result screen. The final 6. Conclusion result and the product approval judgment screen. This table is the explain and application. Sortation contents Korean Institute of Installing Technologies certification is type 1. EA urban architecture is type 2. Alright, secure measure correction factor side wall standard. This is the type 1, type 2 sortation. The program size, front door, window, public area contains the thermal transportations. Okay. Finally, conclusion. 1. Assuming that the result of the evaluation by the Korea Institute of Industrial Technology certification are 7 to 30% energy saving on average. Also, the no is calculated and approval under the current conditions. Design change and additional construction costs for energy improvement are expected. The conclusion 2. As a result of evaluation based on EA urban architecture, the most yes is calculated by averaging 18.6% energy saving, and most of the project approval conditions are satisfied with the current energy saving rate of 50% or more than 50%. However, some households with many offering success as a window by equivalent time did not meet the standard for project approval conditions. The conclusion. Finally, the future upgraded program will be releases and business approval through programs will be free and energy saving. Demands increase. Then, thus, the goal of energy saving rate was raised and the simulation program was operated virtually at any apartment project site. Based on the application products and increases in conclusion cost comparable to the existing ones have been completed, which can be used as dates for design and prediction of construction costs for future construction orders. Thank you.